This is 5.8, graphing absolute value functions. Skip the first objective, put the second one. If you need the video pause, make sure you raise your hand and politely ask the sub to pause the video. On the left-hand side of your notes, also put that y equals the absolute value of x, makes the letter V when you graph it. So you're going to move the absolute value, or you're going to move the V. The original one, y equals the absolute value of V, makes a V located at 0, 0, right in the middle. It goes up at a slope of up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and then it does the same thing on the left-hand side. So again, it starts at 0, 0. It goes up at a rate of up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and then to the left 1, up 1, to the left 1, up 1. Okay? If there's a number located on the outside of the absolute value, that would be your vertical shift. For example, if there's a -2, which is located outside the absolute value, you would get a shift that goes down 2, like so. Other than that, your slope is the same on both sides. On this graph over here, the answer would be y equals the absolute value of x, and it shifted up 4, so then you'd place a +4 on the back. Remember, this out back here represents your vertical shift. Okay, so then this is the first one that would go into your notes. Y equals the absolute value of x plus 2. All you do is you notice that the 2 is located on the back, on the outside, so you go up 2, place a dot, go up at a rate of up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, same thing on the opposite side. Connect those, and you're good. The second one for your notes, go y equals the absolute value of x minus 3. On this problem, you'll just go down 3, place a dot, go up at a rate of up 1 over 1, opposite direction. Connect those dots, and you're done. So far I've been talking about nothing but vertical shifts, the number that is located on the outside. Let me see what this one here. Yep, same thing. So a -7, this -7 is on the outside. Just go down 7, place a dot, and then have your slopes on the sides, and you're done. Okay, the only thing we have to talk about now is our horizontal shift, and it's the opposite of what you're thinking. Most students right away think that the absolute value of x plus 2 actually goes to the right 2. Where it actually goes to the left 2. It's the opposite of what you're thinking, because if you'd solve for x, you'd have to move 2 to the other side. So this is the actual graph. You go to the left 2, and notice how the 2 is inside the absolute value. This is the one that goes into your notes. It's y equals the absolute value of x plus 5, but the plus 5 is inside the absolute value, so that's going to be a horizontal shift. If you're thinking plus 5, you actually go minus 5 to the left 5, place a dot. From there, go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and then the opposite way. Connect those, and you have the answer. The -5 is inside the absolute value, so that's a horizontal shift. If it says minus 5, you go to the right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Branch those out, and you have a final answer. Okay, we're not doing this, we're not doing this. And this is the last one I just want you to think about. If you'd have y equals the absolute value of x minus 2, and on the outside plus 3, think about what number represents your vertical shift and what number represents your horizontal shift. This should be your horizontal shift, which would be to the right 2. And this is your vertical shift, which is up 3. So count 2 to the right, up 3, place a dot. From there, you go up at a rate of up 1 over 1, same thing on the opposite side. Make a V, and you have the right answer. Make sure you have graph paper. Grab it from the side of my room. Other than that, have a fantastic day, and we'll see you tomorrow.